Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the family Cruciferae or Brassicaceae. So this Brassicaceae and Cruciferae both are same. See, according to ICBN, the family name should end with CEAE. But before, they named that as Cruciferae. That's why they changed that to Brassicaceae to follow the ICBN rule. Okay. This Brassicaceae family or Cruciferae family, commonly called as mustard family. Mustard, we know. We use that while cooking as a spice. And it consists of genera 365 and species 3250. And here we are going to see about this classification. Like Fabaceae and we have completed Fabaceae as well as Malvaceae. So these Cruciferae members are also dicots. So class Dicotyledonnae. Subclass Polypetalae. Fabaceae also Polypetalae, the subclass. Malvaceae also Polypetalae, the subclass. And here the Brassicaceae also Polypetalae. Series Thalamiflorae, like Fabaceae and Malvaceae. Brassicaceae also the series Thalamiflorae. But the order Parietales. The placentation here is parietal placentation. That's why parietales. What about in Fabaceae? So Dicotyledonnae, Polypetalae, Thalamiflorae, roselles there. And Malvaceae, Dicotyledonnae, Polypetalae, Thalamiflorae, and Malveals there. Here this is parietales because of the presence of parietal placentation. Then come to the vegetative features. So a pungent watery juice is present in the plants. Pungent. This is the characteristic feature of this family. And taproot stores the food material. So example, Raphanus means radish, we know. Radish. So the taproot stores the food material, Raphanus. Turnip also belonging to this family only. There also the taproot is converted into a storage root. And presence of oil secreting glands containing myrosin enzyme. So these are all special characters of the Brassicaceae family, vegetative features. So myrosin enzyme is present in the oil secreting glands. Okay, that is an important anatomical feature. Come to inflorescence. Here the inflorescence is simple raceme in the case of Brassica. What is simple raceme? So this is the peduncle. Inflorescence axis, long and elongated. Long and elongated peduncle. Bracts are present. In the axil of the bracts, these flowers are arranged acropetally. Older flowers are at the base, younger at the top. This is simple raceme. Okay, what about Raphanus? Raphanus shows compound raceme. What is compound raceme? The peduncle is branched. If this is the stem, this is one of the branch. Compound raceme we can see in a Raphanus, means radish. Then simple corymb. What is the difference between simple raceme and simple corymb? Simple corymb also the peduncle is long and elongated like this. So bracteate. Older flowers are at the base, younger at the top, acropetal. But what is the difference between simple raceme and a simple corymb? So older flowers have longer pedicels and younger flowers have shorter pedicels, so that all the flowers they come to the same height. This is simple corymb. In the case of Iberis, candy tuft. Common name is candy tuft. Okay, and compound corymb you can see in cauliflower. The peduncle is also edible here. Cauliflower. Compound corymb means the peduncle is branched. Okay, then. So this is about the inflorescence. Then come to the flower. Ebracteate. We have seen Fabaceae bracteate and Malvaceae bracteate. Here it is ebracteate. Bract is not there. And all the flowers are having the stalk, that is pedicellate flower. Androecium and gynoecium are present, so bisexual. So you can get two equal halves when you cut the flower in any vertical plane. That's why actinomorphic flower. But rarely you can see in Iberis zygomorphic flower. Okay. So most of the families, dicot families, they show pentamerous condition. But this Brassicaceae is showing tetramerous condition. Tetramerous, pentamerous, those are common. The merosity of dicots. But uh, till now, see that Fabaceae and Malvaceae, what we have completed there, pentamerous condition, 5 sepals, 5 petals. Here, tetramerous condition means 4 sepals, 4 petals. While considering the merosity means we have to consider only non-essential organs, sepals and petals. We need not to consider essential organs, androecium and gynoecium. So here 4 sepals are there, 4 petals are there. And what about androecium? 6 stamens are there. What about gynoecium? 2 carpels are there. So while telling merosity, we have to consider only the non-essential parts. Okay. So tetramerous condition. Then come to the calyx. How many I said? 4 sepals. 2 plus 2. Green. Those are petaloid. They are like petals. Those are polysepalous condition. Means those are free. Imbricate eastivation they show. Imbricate eastivation they show. So sepals are showing imbricate eastivation. Sepals are showing imbricate eastivation. Look here. So these are the 4 sepals. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sepals. Look here. So this anterior side completely out. Next to this completely in. These two are completely in and this is completely out. Okay. So this is imbricate eastivation it is showing. This is posterior side and this is the anterior side. Remember this dot side is always posterior side. This is mustard plant. Okay. Then come to the corolla. See, corolla here is very important because of that shape of the corolla only the family got the name Cruciferae. So the petals 4 in number. Those are cruciform like a cross. They are arranged. Look here. And those are polysepalous. So these are the petals like a cruciform shape. Okay. See, these are all free. Polypetalous. So are they showing any overlapping? No. So valvate eastivation you are showing. Valvate. So all are free. Polypetalous, valvate eastivation. Arranged in cross-shaped manner. So when you see the stamens, look here. How many stamens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stamens are there. Sir, all these stamens are of same height? No, different lengths you are saying. 4 are same length, means long, and outer 2 are short. So this condition, 6 stamens are there, 2 plus 4 condition we are seeing. 2 plus 4 condition we are seeing. This is called as tetradenous condition. Here this is very important. They'll ask you 2 plus 4. Those 2 are outer, which are short, and these 4 are long. This is inner wall. In the inner wall, long stamens, 4 in number. Outer wall, 2 stamens, short length. So are they dipicous? Yes. In which side they face? In rows. See, except Malvaceae, all other families, what we have in our syllabus, they show in rows. In rows means they face towards the gynoecium. Okay. So tetradenous condition is very important. 4 plus 2. 4 in the inner wall, long, 2 outer. So polyandrous means all these are free. They are not showing any cohesion or adhesion. Tell me in Fabaceae. Fabaceae, diadelphous condition, cohesion they are showing. And in Malvaceae, monodelphous condition, cohesion they are showing. And epipetalous condition also they are showing. That's why that is adhesion. Adhesion, cohesion both are shown by Malvaceae and Fabaceae only cohesion. Okay. Then come to the gynoecium, bicarpellary. Syncarpus, bicarpellary, syncarpus. When you see this mustard carpel, bicarpally I said, mustard ovary. See, these are the 2 carpels. They are showing parietal placentation. Okay, these are the 2 carpels. So the ovary wall is folded like this, partially folded. This one. This is one carpel, this is another carpel. Okay, and what about the number of locules here? Only one locule, unilocular condition we are seeing, unilocular in the beginning. But due to the formation of false septum called as replum. False septum called as replum. It will become bilocular. In the beginning, unilocular becomes bilocular due to the false septum. And where are the ovules attached? So, to the replum like this. Replum is nothing but ventral suture. In a parietal placentation, we can't see the ventral suture. So, but after the formation of the replum, it only acts as the ventral suture. Where are the seeds attached? The ovules attached to the ventral suture of the fruit only. But in the parietal placentation, we can't see the ventral suture. So, but after the formation of this replum, ventral suture, that acts as ventral suture. So, parietal placentation is very important, and here superior ovary. So, Fabaceae superior, Malvaceae superior, and Cruciferae or Brassicaceae also superior. Stigma is bilobe. And come to the fruit. Here, a special type of fruit means normally we don't listen here that fruit, siliqua, dry dehiscent fruit, dry dehiscent fruit. So it breaks at the time of maturity. See, so the pericarpate breaks, and this is the replum. This one, yellow one, okay, and the seeds are attached to this replum. Siliqua. How is this? Elongated, narrow, and slender. And silicula, that is another one. Silicula, that is condensed. Condensed siliqua is nothing but condensed siliqua is nothing but silicula. And lumentum, you can see that in a Raphanus. What is lumentum? That is also dry fruit, that is schizocarpic fruit. Schizocarpic fruit. Okay. So next, come to the seed. See, these cotyledons are oily cotyledons, non-endospermic because those are dicots. That's why non-endospermic. And curved embryo is present. Important. Seeds are oily. Means the cotyledons of the seeds are oily, non-endospermic. Normally dicots, they show non-endospermic seeds only. Okay, and curved embryo, large curved embryo we can see. And what about the pollination, cross-pollination and through insects? Okay, so ebracteate I said EBR, actinomorphic, bisexual, and calyx 2 plus 2, and corolla 4, andrecium 2 plus 4, outer 2 short, inner 4 long, gynoecium superior, and bicarpellary syncarpus. Bicarpellary syncarpus. And economic importance also very important here because so many are used as vegetables here. So botanical names or common names. See, normally common names and sometimes botanical names also they may ask. So Brassica campestris, okay, starts and shoots, vegetable. It is a vegetable. And Brassica valeraceae variety botrytis, you know this very well. Brassica valeraceae variety botrytis, that is cauliflower. Cauliflower. That is underdeveloped floral, but we use this as a vegetable. Okay, so compound corim you can say. Cauliflower. Then Brassica oleracea variety capitata. So leaves only we are taking that leafy part, that one, cabbage. This also we used as a vegetable. And Brassica rapa, that is turnip. We have studied this during the storage roots. So storage root, it stored food material. Then Raphanus, radish, that also storage root. Then nullcol, somewhat green in color, that one, that fleshy stem. The stem is very fleshy and we use that as food, vegetable. And mustard oil we know very well. Okay, mustard, from mustard seeds we get Brassica gentiana, right? Okay, lepidium. What it does? It cures liver troubles, asthma, and piles. So tender shoots of lepidium cures liver troubles, asthma, and piles also. Iberis, simple corimba said no, that Iberis candituft, it cures gout. We studied that in zoology, gout, uric acid, more uric acid if it accumulates, it leads to gout. and rheumatism. It cures ibris. Then Cherianthus, the seeds of Cherianthus, it cures fever and bronchitis. And Brassica alba, Brassica nigra, Brassica gentiana, all these seeds are used as spice. This ibis and Cherianthus, ornamental plants. Ornamental plants. So this is about our Cruciferae or Brassicaceae. All these newly added families are very important. Okay, I covered all the important points in Brassicaceae or Cruciferae. Please go through this, and later we'll go through this Asteraceae. Asteraceae. Okay, bye.